Hey everyone, Leanne here from Kingdom Blogger. So in this video, we are going to talk about YouTube Shorts. What are they? Why are they so important? And how should you use them as part of your strategy for growing your channel? So YouTube Shorts. So let me step back. So most of us think of YouTube as full-length videos. Like we go do a search for how-to tutorials, things like that. And that is true. But in the last year, maybe 2 years, a new thing has popped up called Shorts. And these are long social media looking, kind of like a Facebook or Instagram reel, TikTok video. So they're in the long vertical format instead of the horizontal one like you're watching this video. And they are meant for social media consumption. And what I mean by that is the endless scroll, right? The feed that is all of our social media. A lot of this came about, TikTok kind of started this huge trend with these types of videos, short form content. Short form meaning 60 seconds or less that people consume in a feed. And they got so popular that all of the different channels have started doing them, including YouTube. The cool thing is your YouTube shorts actually have their own special place, like their own real feed, if you will, in the YouTube platform. And so when you do a search for things, when you see the search results and they're horizontal videos like this one, typically those are your normal videos, but your shorts will have the little vertical thing right in the middle of the screen. And it's very important that you start utilizing these as a method to build your subscriber base and also just to keep your content, your channel active. So what kind of content should it be? Really, if you are already creating Instagram reels or short 60-second videos for other social media, you can actually easily repurpose those by uploading them into YouTube. Of course, if you started them on TikTok first, then you do need to remove the watermark. You don't want to upload a video with the watermark of another social channel on it. But all of your social channel made videos that are 60 seconds or less can actually be uploaded into YouTube. And so I am a firm believer in doing something once and multi-purposing it as many times as possible. And that's how I'm actually able to be active on all of my social channels. So, on my channel, which is all about blogging, I share some of my inspiration, my just daily Bible or blogging tips, social media tips, Christian creator tips in 60 seconds or less, the social media Christian world, according to Leanne kind of stuff. And that's what I share on TikTok and other places. And so I just upload them into here. I do daily Bible verses, business motivation, Christian business motivation, things like that, which are verses of scripture. Really anything that you're sharing on social media can be translated into a YouTube short. So why are they so important? Well, number one, because they do have their own feed. They are consumed more often. Now, if you are trying to grow your channel for reaching monetization, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public viewing hours. Understand that the viewing time on your shorts do not count towards that 4,000. However, your subscribers do. And so one way to help increase that 4,000, getting to that 4,000 is having more subscribers, because your subscribers are going to see all the new videos that you post because they're going to get notifications for it if they're following you, right? And so a great way in the beginning, while you're really kind of figuring out the long form videos. I mean, honestly, for some, it is a struggle to figure out what types of full videos I should be doing. But if you're already doing stuff on social media, let that be sort of your getting your feet wet into YouTube and just start doing those those shorts. It's that simple. You can easily grow to 1,000 subscribers by publishing shorts every single day. And you're like, oh my gosh, every single day. I do have another video that talks about repurposing content, but in a nutshell, it's simple. Create one video. So my place of creation, if you will, is TikTok. Every morning I create a video on TikTok. I download it I download it to my phone, remove the watermark, and then I upload it to Instagram, Pinterest, idea pins, and YouTube Shorts. So I repurpose everything that I do. And so because of that, I'm able to add these pretty much daily when I'm actually creating them. So let's hop over here. You can see my feed here. So I have my shorts playlist. It's a default playlist. You don't have to create it. It's already there. And it's here, and you can see the views. Some of them get more than others, and they're not professional. There's no cover image over them. These are literally social media videos. They should be real, raw. I would encourage you to not be Instagrammy in it. And if you don't know what that means, it's putting on this fake level of perfection just to do your videos. That's kind of old school. Like, people want real. You can see, I mean, I think in this one, I'm actually talking about my gray hair and my roots showing. I do morning just affirmations, my scripture ones, and so forth. And so again, if you're doing these every day, that's a really great way to start getting your channel growing while you work on these other videos. And so again, if they're following your channel and you have that good trailer that we mentioned in the previous video, then you could actually get traffic to your website, to your email list, and so forth from your YouTube channel. So anyway, your shorts are uploaded like any other video. You can do it from your phone, since that's where you're most likely recording them. They should be recorded from your phone. Don't go all elaborate trying to do a zoom for a short. They're meant to be vertical. And so record it on your phone, either just your camera, the camera that comes with your phone. I, of course, record mine in TikTok, and then I download the video, and then I use SnapTik to remove the watermark. You could also record your video in Instagram as a reel, right? Do it there first, download the video first, and then publish it as a reel. And then you have it without the watermark already, and then just upload it to your YouTube Studio app. Many, many ways to do it. But again, your YouTube shorts are definitely going to be the way to really boosting your subscriber count, but also reaching a different audience with the content you've already made if you are already active on other social platforms. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. As always, be sure to like this video, follow our channel, and join my Facebook group. That link is below. I would love to help you if you're stuck on ideas for creating, like what kind of video should I be making? Let me know. I can help you brainstorm and give you some ideas based on what your ministry's purpose is, and creating videos in a way that actually get people to engage with them, which is ultimately the goal. So anyway, I will see you guys all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.